evening students. In the previous video we have done till question number 6 and now in this video we will start with question number 7. Okay, let us read the question and try to understand the question first. The sum of three consecutive multiples of 8. Again the word came consecutive. We have done in class in question number 6. If you remember, consecutive I told you लगातार एक के बाद एक. अब उन्होंने बोला consecutive multiples of 8 means ऐसे नंबर जो 8 के टेबल में लगातार आते हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल 8 1 ज़ा 8, 8 2 ज़ा 16, 8 3 ज़ा 24. 8, 16 and 24 is an example of consecutive multiples. So we have to find such consecutive multiples who add up and give us answer 888. First of all, we will suppose the three multiples. So I will suppose let the three numbers or multiples. Multiples means if I say 8 1 is 8, that is 81, 8 into 1 8, 8 2 is 16, that means 8 into 2 16, 8 into 3 24. Here 8 is common and the other numbers are changing in a consecutive order. 8 8 8 1 2 3. So I can suppose let 3 consecutive multiples of 8. First, x is the first multiple, but when I multiply with 8 it becomes a multiple of 8. X plus 2, another number, but multiple I have to multiply it with 8. Another number, sorry, it's not x plus 2, it's x plus 1. Third number will be x plus 2. Then it will be multiplied by 8. So 3 consecutive multiples of 8 we have got 8x, 8x plus 1, 8x plus 2. Fine. Now here similar way you can find out if the question comes find the consecutive multiples of 16. Then what is the difference between this? Only this number outside. That time it will become 16x, 16x plus 1, 16x plus 2. And this bracket is very important. Now, according to question, this is if I add these numbers, it sum up to be 888. First step will be, I have seen it is a board mass rule. First we will open the brackets. Let us solve it. 8x plus 8x plus 8. Now 24x plus 24 equals to 888. Twenty-four x 888 minus 24, that will give me 864. X equals to 864 upon 24. Now convert it into a lowest term. When you convert it into lowest term, x value you will get equals to 36. Now they asked about the multiples, means these multiples we have to find out. So 3 multiples we can find in such a way. 8x, 8 into 36, 8x plus 1, 8 into 36 plus 1, that will give me 8 into 37, 8 into x plus 2, that is equals to 8 into 36 plus 2, that will give me 8 into 38. What the answer you will get? Here when I multiply, it will give me the answer 288. Next one, 296. The third one, x 304. So multiples are these 3. Hope it is clear. Okay, now let us start with question number 8. Let us read the question. 3 consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order. Again the consecutive integers, 3 integers we will take x, x plus 1, x plus 2. When they are multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively, and they add up to 74. So let three integers, we are talking about the consecutive. First integer, there are x, x plus 1, x plus 2. Fine. Now they have said when they are taken in increasing order, smaller, greater and the greatest, multiplied by 2, 3 and 4. First number multiplied by 2, second number multiplied by 3 and the third number multiplied by 4. And according to question, when they add up, they give us the answer 74. Okay. Now let us open the bracket. 2x plus 3x plus 3 plus 4x plus 8 equals to 74. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 4, 9. 9x plus 11 equals to 74. 9x equals to 74 minus 11 gives us 63. X equals to 63 upon 9. X equals to 7. X equals to 7. X value have got 7. And they have asked in the question, find the numbers. They have not asked the find the multiples. They have asked find the numbers. So the numbers were x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. X was 7. 7 plus 1 equals to 8 and 7 plus 2 equals to 9. These are answers. Okay students, let us start with question number 9 now. The ages of Rahul and Harun are in a ratio 5:4. I already told how to convert a ratio into the age by multiplying with a common multiple. So we usually take x. So first step will be to suppose their ages. So let Rahul's age 5x, let Harun's age 4x. Now they say 4 years later, आज से 4 साल बाद. 4 साल बाद means both of their age will be increased by 4. So after 4 years, Rahul's age 5x plus 4, Harun's age 4x plus 4. I think so this is clear with you all. Now I am raising the board for the further solution of the question. I am raising the upper part. Now let us form an equation. According to question, they say 4 years later the ages sum up to their 56. So if I add both the age means after 4 year age, it will be equals to 56. Now let us solve it. This 5:7. Question is 5:7. 5:7. 7x. Okay. It makes 12x plus 8 equals to 56. 12x equals to 56 minus 8. That is equals to 48. Now x equals to 48 upon 12 goes up, x equals to 4. Now they asked Rahul and Harun's present age. So present age was, present age is Rahul. What is Rahul's present age? 5x. That is equals to 5 into 4, 20 years. Harun 7x. 7 into 4, that is equals to 28 8 years. Okay class, listen. If in this question, in one step back when I have not erased, if the ratio I have taken 5:4, please convert it into 5:7, 5x and 7x. That was by mistake. So you can change, I have changed from this step, but in the previous steps also you can change it at 5x and 7x. Okay, this is now question number 10. Let us read the question. The number of boys and girls in a class are in a ratio 7:5. So first we will write the actual number with the x. Let number of boys equals to 7x. Let number of girls equals to 5x. Now let us understand the question. The number of boys is 8 more than number of girls. जो लड़के हैं वो लड़कियों से 8 ज़्यादा हैं. If I increase the number of girls, that will be equals to number of boys. अगर मैं लड़कियों को 8 बढ़ा दूँ तो वो बॉयज़ के इक्वल हो जाएंगे. That forms an equation. Equation means equal both the side. Number of boys is 8 more than number of girls. मतलब अगर मैं लड़कियों को 8 बढ़ा दूँ तो वो लड़कों के इक्वल हो जाएंगे. So according to question, 7x equals to 5x plus 8. 7x minus 5x equals to 8. 2x equals to 8. X equals to 8 upon 2. That makes 4. Now let us find out the strength. But before that we have to find the boys and girls also. So boys, 7 into 4, 28. Girls, 5 into 4, that makes 20. Total strength, add up, 48. This is your answer. Hope it is very clear and easy question. Okay, let us see now the question number 11. This is very important question. Let us understand the question, then we will start with the solution. Bachung's father, Bachung is the name of a person. Bachung's father is 26 years younger than Bachung's grandfather and 29 years older than Bachung. If you read the question, that father is compared with grandfather and that father is compared with Bachung. So I will take Bachung's father is x. You don't have to write this part which I am writing now. I will tell you what to write. Bachung's father age I am supposing at x. Let us go up. Bachung grandfather. This is said Bachung grandfather is 26 years. Father is 26 years younger than Bachung's grandfather. Grandfather age will be x plus 26. इसका मतलब जो grandfather है वो Bachung से father से 26 years बड़ा है. Now Bachung, obvious, Bachung will be smaller than the Bachung's father, na? So they have said 29 years older than Bachung. That means whatever the father's age, if I subtract 29 from it, I will get Bachung's age. I am repeating again. Grandfather and Bachung age is dependent on father's age. So I have taken father's age as x. Clear? After this, they say grandfather is 26 years older than father. Plus 26. And father is 29 years older than Bachung. तो मतलब कि father की age में से 29 minus कर दो तो Bachung की age. Understood? Now with the help of these, we are going to form the equation. So we will suppose now, let Bachung's father's age, that is equals to x. Let Bachung's grandfather's age equals to x plus 26. Let Bachung's age, that is equals to x minus 29. Hope it is clear. Their sum up to be 135. That means x plus x plus 26 plus x minus 29 give me 135. Now add the variables, it makes 3x. Subtract the numbers, it makes minus 3, 135. 3x equals to 135 plus 3, it makes 138. Now your x equals to 138 upon 3, it makes 46. That means father's age is 46. I am solving it here. You have to form a separate line, last 3 lines. Okay, I am giving the answer here only. That means Bachung's, I will erase the word later. Bachung's father's age x, that means equals to 46, equals to 46 plus 26. 72, 46 minus 29 will make me 17. Don't forget to write down years. This is your answer. I am highlighting in notebook, just write down clearly. So with this we have done question number 7 to question number 11. Remaining of the question I will upload in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy.